Enterprise 3D Find It. Let's dive in. Do you know where your engineers get CAD parts for their designs? Or where do they store them? Many random internet downloads or redundant parts clog up servers and slow down loading times. Well, to prevent that, there's this. With Enterprise 3D Find It, you can curate your company-owned catalog, assign preferred parts, and select favorite suppliers. With all of that neat data, your engineers will see right at their fingertips available parts, stock levels, pricing, and much more, making it effortless for them to pick only selected parts. No matter which CAD system you're using, we've got you covered. Catalogs and parts from Enterprise 3D Find It are packed with master data sets straight from the supplier. That's right, no manual entries needed. It even integrates your own PLM and ERP data seamlessly. Like this one. This one. Trading across the border? Don't forget about that one. With Enterprise 3D Find It on your local server, engineers can check if a part already exists right while they're designing. Need more? Compare prices quickly, stay on top of change notifications, end-of-life cycles, and eliminate duplicates. Enterprise 3D Find It is the strategic parts management system for you. And it works across all CAD PLM and ERP systems in all sorts of industries. Enterprise 3D Find It. Why waste time? Just find it.